guys how you can make the best Oreo milkshake at home.
Okay, so the things you'll be needing are milk. I just dropped the Oreos. You'll also be needing Oreos. I've actually got fake ones, but they're still good. Vanilla ice cream and optional squirty cream for the topping. Okay, so this recipe's for one. So if you want to follow along, you can, but if you want to double it or whatever, you can. So what I'm going to do is take 3 Oreos and I'm going to put them, oh, they're a bit crushed. I'm going to put them in a blender thing. Then you want to put 2 big scoops of vanilla ice cream in here. Next, you want to add your milk. Don't actually add too much because the more you add, the less thick it will be. And I like my milkshakes when they're like thick from the ice cream and they're more cold then as well. Now I'm going to put the blending thing on and just screw that on like that. Give it a shake. I'm going to whack it on here and blend. Now I'm going to pour it into a glass. That is insane.
How to make a crazy milkshake. Step number 1, decorate your cup. I'm putting chocolate all the way around the edge of the cup. And now I'm adding pretzels on top of the chocolate. Drizzle chocolate all over. Time to make the milkshake. I'm using Daily Harvest ice cream. So we're adding in our ice cream and now some milk. Now pour in the milkshake. Oh, whoa. Okay, so I made a s'mores to go on top. And then I just added a few more pretzels and marshmallows to the top. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Ah. Whoa.
How to make the cookie milkshake. Get some milk. Pour up to 1/3 line. Put ice. Put it on a blender. Crumble some cookies. Put the cookies inside the blender. Blend it. Get some chai. The second. Blend again. Drizzle some chocolate. Add more. Enjoy!